Hola, muy buenas tardes. This is Senor Clark Spanish, and I have another video for you today, another bell ringer for you. So without further ado, all right, the bell ringer is to write these dates out in full form or in word form in Spanish. So we have, remember that in Spanish, and most of the rest of the world actually writes the date where the day comes first and the month comes second. Not like we do. This is not October 6th, but rather this would be the 10th of June. So in Spanish, I'm going to show you how to do the first one, but I want to see if you guys can do the rest of these. All right, here's number one. You would say, hoy, today. Hoy es el 10 de junio, sorry. So again, this is the 10th of June, so el 10 de junio. If you guys want, go ahead and pause the video now and do 2, 3, 4, and 5 for me real quick. And I'll give you about 5 seconds. All right, let's see what the answers were. So we got, I put these little tick marks here because we're not going to have to say OES and repeat ourselves like this every time. But if today were each of these dates, we would say OES, etc., right? So number 2, we have the 5th of December, which would be el 5 de diciembre. For the 25th of March, we have el 25 de marzo. For the 9th of January, we have el 9 de enero, number 4. And number 5, we have the 1st of November, we have el 1 de noviembre. Couple things here, guys, when you're dealing with date. All right, you'll notice that the months, are not capitalized. That is not because it's an error that I did. It's because in Spanish, the months of the year, as well as days of the week, are not capitalized. They don't consider them to be proper nouns like we do in English. Another thing is, you'll notice that there's a pattern, right? If you're telling the date, you want to say, hoy es. Normally what I do is I say, hoy es jueves, right? Today is Thursday. El 27 de febrero, right? The 27th of February. But when I'm teaching it, the book doesn't teach us to use the day just because it's a little easier to just say today is the, 10th of June. And we're just randomly picking days if we do otherwise. So, what you'll notice is there's a little bit of a formula, right? You start off with hoy es, then you have el, and then the number, right? Except if you're talking about the first of the month, you do not use el uno, you use el primero, okay? I'm not sure why, because in English, we actually use the cardinal numbers for every single date, right? We don't say the 2 of November, we say the 2nd of November. In Spanish, they just say the 2 of November, okay? But they do with the first, they do say the first, el primero. They use the cardinal number versus the ordinal number when it's the first. All right? Oh, the part of the formula. So, hoy es el number de month de year. So, if I were to give the full, date today, I would say hoy es jueves el 27 de febrero de 2020. Right? 2020, 2020. Hope this video helped, guys. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and comment and share the video if you'd like. And yeah, subscribe for more videos because I am going to put out more videos. So I hope you like this format where I go over a quick concept and try to explain it pretty well. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.